Mula sa pagiging award-winning actor to being a vibe jock, endless talaga ang talent ng isang Elijah Canlas. At live mula po sa Quezon City, nasa frontline ng balitang yan, si MJ Marfori. MJ, kamusta kayo dyan?
Yes, Jervy, get you a talent who could do it all. At bukod nga sa pag-celebrate ng kanyang birthday, nandito tayo sa Intimate Media Day ng multimedia force to be reckoned with, ang ating award-winning actor at vibe jock,
Yes.
Elijah.
Tama, I love to hear that vibe jock. Yes, tama. Hello, thank you.
Grabe, alam niyo yung nakikita natin sa ating likuran? Kalahating taon pa lang po na proyekto ni Elijah Canlas yan. Elijah, kamusta? Natutulog ka pa ba?
Minsan, pero I like it. You know, I really love what I do, whether it's film or TV or music. So, ine-enjoy ko lang lahat ng ginagawa ko.
8 films, 3 shows.
Yes po.
Oh my
Opo.
gosh, 2 of those.
Two of
TV5.
those with TV5,
Hello,
let's go.
Heaven.
And Vibe, which Vibe is ongoing still. We air every day and we have the main show every Sunday. And Hello Heaven, we're gonna start rolling very soon. So abangan nyo po yan.
Kamusta yung banter nyo ni Enrique tsaka ni Julia dito pala?
Well, next week pa lang kami magsa-start magkita-kita talaga and to... tama ba? Nakakatawa.
At least na-spill niya yun!
Yeah, but yeah, I'm excited to work with those two. I haven't met Ken officially talaga,
Okay.
but I have hung out with Julia, so excited ako to work with them. And Directonet Hadaone is directing and running the show.
TV series.
And yeah, first time niya mag-soap since in a
Suntok
long
sa
time.
Banyo ni Marisa
Yeah, since
Cal.
Suntok sa buwan. So
And Aga Mulak.
yeah, salamat at hindi pa nagsasawa sa akin si Directonet.
Well, ikaw ang alas niya dyan. But congratulations again, Elijah. Where to watch you? Bibilita ka, may play ka pa, September?
Yeah. May play kami, The Gita with Scene Change, starring me, Agot Isidro, Georgette Lorenzo, Benedict Ramos, Sam Samarita. Power Mac po yan sa Circuit Makati. Sana po makabili kayong tickets. We're releasing soon. And ano pa ba? Vibe every Sunday, vibe every day. Tama yan, enjoy lang. Ano pa ba? Tumitingin na lang po ako dito, pasensya na. And also my album. I'm releasing an album on October, but I'm releasing a single titled Joseph K with a music video on September 5.
Wait, nakalimutan mo yung dalawa mo, Cinemalaya.
Also, Cinemalaya on October. Kita-kits po tayo doon.
Alright. Thank you so much, Elijah, for your time. Well, anyway, guys, mag-celebrate muna kami rito. Oo, birthday! Happy birthday, Elijah! Back to you, Jervy, mga kapatid!
Congratulations, Elijah, at maraming salamat, MJ Marfori. Mga kapatid, Jervy Wrightson po. Eto na nga. Para sa latest showbiz news at iba pang alaman, mag-follow at mag-subscribe na sa social media pages ng News 5.